Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. Sets are a terrific way to widen your cooking portfolio at a budget. However, not all of them are created equal. Some kits include more advanced assortment than others, while some are more beginner-friendly. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best options so you can find the option that'll match your skill set. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th kitchen utensil set in our list is the Fungun non-stick kitchen utensil sets, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 3-batch rating. If you want a selection of tools that are guaranteed to not bend, crack, or corrode, no matter how hard you're mashing your potatoes or how heavy your grilled meat is, you have got to check out this non-stick kitchen utensil set by Fungun. Each tool in the set is BPA-free, and they're made with firm silicone heads, delivering excellent grip, maximum control, and premium-grade heat resistance. The material will allow you to boil, grill, and flame anything at 446 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius, worry-free. Fungun even added a non-stick surface so you won't have to spend extra time scraping off the savory sauces you just experimented with. To help you create a slew of dishes, this set includes 5 measuring spoons and 5 measuring cups, a slotted spoon, a flexible spoon, a solid spoon, a pasta server, a solid spoon, kitchen tongs, a draining spoon, a whisk, a deep soup ladle, spatulas, and a brush. Now, one concern that customers have noticed is that the holes in the whisk that attaches to the wire may be a bit too wide, which causes water to build up in the handle while washing it. This might make it difficult for the water to drain out fully and lead to the formation of bacteria. However, you might be able to resolve this by wiping it thoroughly with a kitchen towel after every use. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who don't have a set-up kitchen storage yet, since it has a solid base and a circular bottom aperture to make sure it's kept in a dry environment. The 4th kitchen utensil set in our list is the Sunfloware wooden bamboo cooking utensil set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Using the Sunfloware Deluxe wooden spoon set, you have the right tool for every task in the kitchen, from cooking broths to more than 40 people to serving casual pika snacks. You can trust these bamboo utensils for turning deep-fried tempura, tasting your new spicy hummus, and plating a delectable steak dish. Best of all, if you have non-stick pans or any other expensive cookware, these wooden tools won't damage or peel off the surface. This makes it a little bit more ideal for anyone who has been meaning to switch from metal kitchenware that might be a bit harsher on natural surfaces. We're also psyched at how each of these tools has a curved profile, especially the heads of the spatula. This gave us the utmost accuracy and a comfortable grip when drizzling vodka sauce into the pasta. It's even significantly more heat and water resistant than other wooden cooking equipment, making it a great staple for any kitchen. With this assortment, you can enjoy the cooking process, then easily clean them with warm soapy water and dry them with a clean towel. These items are not dishwasher safe though, considering how the dishwasher can over-dry the wooden utensils. But it's definitely worth it with how the bamboo holds up and stays aesthetically pleasing after years. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who's looking for a great gift for your kitchen enthusiast moms and grandmoms, since the set has a vintage style that they'll surely dig. The 3rd kitchen utensil set in their list is the All-Clad Professional Kitchen Gadgets and Caddy, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. When it comes to creating delicious meals, we understand that quality equipment is just the beginning. That's why we're excited to introduce you to the 6-piece kitchen tool set by All-Clad, designed to make your cooking experience seamless and cohesive. Each utensil in the set is crafted from durable 18-10 stainless steel, ensuring they stay strong and maintain their polished appearance for years to come. But what really caught our attention was the thoughtful addition of ergonomic grips in each tool. These grips not only provide comfort during use, but also make it easy to transfer those hearty dishes from the stove to the table. To keep your kitchen organized and prevent any drawer mishaps, All-Clad has included a matching stainless steel caddy to house all your utensils in one place. This attention to detail truly sets this set apart. Speaking of which, let's talk about what you'll find inside. With a 6-piece kitchen tool set, you'll receive a 13-inch solid spoon, a 13-inch slotted spoon, a 13-inch turner, a 13-inch fork, and a 4-ounce ladle. Whether you're stirring, serving, or flipping, this set has you covered. And when it's time to clean up, simply wipe them down or pop them in the dishwasher overnight for hassle-free maintenance. Now, it's important to note that some customers have mentioned that the plastic part of the utensils can be a bit flimsy, especially when turning over a particularly heavy steak. so it's worth exercising caution in such cases. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for collectors who value brand name on items, since this one has a laser-etched logo. The second kitchen utensil set in our list is the OXO Good Grips Everyday Kitchen Utensil Set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Whether you're a rookie cook or the most trusted chef in your household, it's hard to find a collection of premium kitchen tools that can match the assortment from OXO Good Grips. This 15-piece set is a dream come true for any cooking enthusiast. The best part, each item in the set is compatible with all your non-stick surfaces, whether they're made of nylon, silicone, or stainless steel. You can rest easy knowing that these tools are built to endure scratches and resistant heat-induced misshaping up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So go ahead and tackle that homemade pho recipe without worries. The completeness of this set is truly remarkable, especially for those of you who have received hand-me-down cooking advice from the likes of 3-star Michelin chefs. Imagine using the pizza wheel to create your first delicious vegan pizza, or the potato masher to whip up quick and crispy crisscross fries. It's a kitchen arsenal that covers all the bases. Now let's talk about organization. The extra-large holder that comes with the set is a star in its own right. It keeps all your tools tidy and neatly organized, which is a game changer in terms of reducing clutter in your kitchen. What's more, the base of the holder features a dishwasher-safe detachable drip tray, ensuring that your utensils stay dry and sanitized. One thing to consider though is the size of the container. Given the number of prices included in the set, it might take up quite a bit of space in smaller countertops. However, the convenience and functionality it brings to your cooking experience are definitely worth that space investment. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginner chefs who are yet to test out different recipes, as this set has one of the most holistic selection. The best kitchen utensil set in our list is the Cuisinart CGS 5020 Deluxe Grill Set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Coming with a free digital temperature fork, the Cuisinart 20-piece deluxe grill set is the perfect collection for our barbecue party hosts out there. The good news is that this fork will eliminate the guesswork with the roasting, baking, and grilling, and it'll definitely become your closest friend at the grill. And since it features a built-in LED light that shines brilliantly down on your food, you can even serve roasted vegetables with grilled sauces at night. If you're a beginner, you can easily flip, slice, and pour your ingredients and final output using the perforated spatula with serrated edge, which is especially good for cutting. You're even getting stainless steel tongs designed to conveniently grip and transfer the savory dishes. Don't worry if your barbecue party will be out of town this time, because a chic and sturdy aluminum travel box is included for extra convenience. Best of all, if you get too immersed in catching up with your friends, the bottom's backlit display, timer feature, and alarm will let you know when your meal is done. However, it's worth considering that the extra long handles, while fantastic for grilling, may pose a slight challenge when using the equipment on conventional cooktops. These tools were specifically designed for the grill, so they may not be suitable for everyday stovetop use. Nonetheless, their functionality and durability make them an excellent addition to your grilling adventures. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who likes cooking soups and broths, since the set's made from heavy-duty stainless steel. And there you have it, folks, our best kitchen utensil sets, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next kitchen utensil set roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchen great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.